Morning everybody. So yesterday I posted on my Facebook and Instagram channels and that a double what's in the box. I've got a double reveal today. So the first one I'm going to reveal is an accessory for him. Yes, I'm weird enough to buy my taxidermy fox's accessories. So here's the parcel. Get into it. So nobody gave the right guess yesterday. That doesn't matter because it's basically impossible. So, ooh, it is a monocle. Obviously, a taxidermy fox needs a monocle. So that's the first one. Second box. Try and get into this. Wrapped really well. This may be one of the weirdest items I've ever bought. So now a box. Excellent. Plenty of tape. Good. Like to see it. Let's see, here it goes. Here's the big moment, the big reveal. Oh, plenty of rust falling off it. Excellent. Any ideas? If I do that, give you a clue, I show you the end. So yes, it is a Rain King. So basically, so it's Cooper Stewart. I can't really how to say that. So basically, yeah, it's a vintage garden grass spray shower. What's it called? Mine's gone totally blank. You click the hose of this, water comes out of this. Sprinkler, that's the one. So yeah, I mean, I don't collect vintage, that's sprinklers, but I just like the way it looked. I could see it sitting on a desk, just something unusual, cool, functioning. I'm probably going to go and try it, just because I like to. Made in England. I'm going to do a bit of research and find out a little bit more about it. But yeah, I just thought, I mean, it's heavy. It's cast iron, a cast iron sprinkler. You know what I mean? Just I don't know, something different, something cool. So yeah, so that's today's reveal. Double reveal, exciting times. As always, comment on the videos, like the videos, share the videos, subscribe to the channel. If you like seeing weird and unusual things, I try and do them as often as I can. So yeah, exciting times.